Kiwalai pure ka Khad-Ar Daloi College juai hau news nem dawan ra buram biang ki yakani ka thau pure an wadu kadon hi wa em harilum jaintia hei wana ki khat san ngut ki wiyale ya ka LL.B 6 semester ar paule wada penmanda kani hu Khad-Ar ngut de yo first division gi nyau ngut depsi agi ha ka top 10 waye nam top perle de yo ada wana kani hi ka college Nagini ki wada le bha kan thup ki na do ki wasikai skor ki wa kre sorkar wa uwi wa man le kam MCS wada yo hai kerdan wa nyau wa uwi na ki kloria le ki kickboxing grilom jaintia o hamisha ni asuyam wada yo hai kerdan wasan Utopper namo wa yo nangkong to wan bhalang buam o wa kre hapo ka clear district court kam LDA com bench assistant we na chwa ju kre o hapo ka swatch bharat mission is jainte hills kam wasan snem Way wana chnong umla dekur West Giant Hills. Wan bahalang dakana wada slem ko wa awolai pure ya ka ain tang wadu haus nem ar pau. Hadin wa ka principal warim gani ka college de ye ka open bor yo o lai pure hapo gani ka college tele o ye ni. Hei wakat ni de yo opoi chagani ka kerdan weda pensinga ule isngangu ya gani ka college. Urap bor lang karbi kiu waman kamu MCS dakanau wada bun sin de pure anyu tang wane da wa bun kam myi wo pendem. Wei kamu MCS na chwa hapat ki chibun ki kam wa yato wa an weda chem chitom le wo le ye kam klem de tip ya ka an kam temen de poi hagani ka college de ye wo pendem wei de pentip ule weda pengkre wo lai pure sa ka LLM kam te de penchluru le ye kiwi wo perchang wo lai chakmat hei pure puthi U Dr. PM pasa presiden ka governing body ka college da kanau ye chibuni e iko wada mat ka college na do ki wato uchna utei ki wampoi thong we ninus nem da cha pangat ki da kakuna ka wali pausan lak hakabar Council of India claim de MEE bakla ka college tangwa iwa bakla da ka BCI hi we ye ni da lai li luit le cha montri rangba ka jala o wada kular wo yarap waro ka ni ka poisa tangwa tangchi tangka le mpu poi hadu kan ni Niliang wano pas mun nakar waman kam UIM wapai ya ka Civil Works Department ka JHADC da ongu wala da MKam ka college wa penchana iyi yo pa kot ki cho we dawi rabu kat wa cha ibor we kat wa empoisa ka council de ku bleu le ya waro kini ki wada poi cha khamat we da khanau po o le to wada ju lai pure ya ka ain tang wane dawam cha ipor MME wo pendem we da yuluti wa haki wi ki sngi daw ye wo pendep ye ni ne bha ka mo mi khamat da rap bhai ka kongsan hagani ka sngi ka santa miri shalla MLA ka sutnga saipung de khu blei ko le yakini waro ki wada poi cha khamat hadu wo yo nangkong mo man kam utopar wa mi na po kani ka college ki wo bun tip ki tang wa em kam kani ka college chi we da penchlur ko yaki wo lai cha khamat ye kam wa bha yongki Hewi wani liang do ong ko was ngau si uyo wa hadin ru nyau snem wa wan go cha kani ka college dang ne kam jo ban memidi yi thme we ini pengkup bor ni de penyo ye kre chitom yang waro I wada ye wa wanra kada ini buram kam ter kentu ko yiki bor pelai ke ni ka college wo tho chaka we kat wa ye ibor we kat wa dang em ko kat ni hei bor yo le ko ye wa em kam yo wanra ye kala hakini kisnem wo wan kam wo pen kan mo we ini imto isin wanang kong wo yo ka Khad-Ar Daloi Law College ye nam topper hei wo hosnem arajar khat khandi kasawa ka kenjing de yo ko ye nam topper
In Nehru, with that college of which thank you.
I am from Khad-Ar village from Angaram subdivision. Basically, I'm a Wyrta India, and I'm currently working in Khad-Ar in the district and session court Khad-Ar. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today, and immensely grateful for this opportunity to address you as the topper from Northeastern University representing this college. First, to study law quite a few number of times, but that didn't happen. It was only in the year 2020 when I met the former principals, Miss Arwana, who have actually insisted me to enroll myself in this college. And here I am today. I stand humble and rich and grateful for this achievement that this college has given me.
Working as an additional district magistrate or Iboy, Nangpo. My salam is here, he's only the known face here because I was posted here in July as GAC then. That was 2013, 14, 15 and 16, 4 years. It was during the time of NGT ban. So the assessment of goal and all that, I had to do all that in Kerala and Skala. It was a tough time. Think about me, I might not boast, I'm sorry to say it, but I left home at a very young age because I come from a humble family. So in my BA first year, I had to quit my studies since I got a job. I got as sub-inspector excise and telephone operator on Calcutta radios. Telephone operator means receptionist. I might take some time with the permission of the chair. So I am a person who self-studied, self-learner to say. There was no, that time there was no internet, no YouTube, no Google. I studied, I sat in reception and studied. And at that time, thanks to dear Sir Professor who was my director, TADM Wyrta, he told me that I should pursue. He gave me the shift only in the morning from 6 o'clock till 2 o'clock. Then I pursued my study, cleared my graduation from St. Anthony's College. I'm thankful to Father Mewley who allowed me to pursue as a regular candidate. Then the story went on. I took admission at Jadavpur University, then studied there. And right from those days, I always studied. I enrolled in many courses in IGLU, and law was my passion. Right before 2010 when I joined the MCS. But after joining the MCS, I realized that, sitting in the chair, we were judicial magistrate then, because there was, the judiciary was not bifurcated then. Okay, judiciary executive was one. We were the law then, at that time, we were as judicial magistrate. So I was thinking, I'm sitting here, lawyers come to me, the PP and the defense counsel. Whatever they see, nothing went inside my mind. So I was not doing justice to my chair. So I pursued law. But then I studied. Right from the day I studied, but the only thing that I never had a degree. So it went on that I took admission, but since I was posted in July, I couldn't pursue. I took the admission at LL.B College. Then again in the year 2016, after I was transferred from July, I went as BDO only. So as BDO, I was the boss of the office. No one could control me since I was the independent officer. That time I took admission at LL.B College, 2017. I reached the level of 5th semester. But then when I appeared for the 5th semester, the problem happened that my attendance was too low. So I couldn't achieve the 75%. So I wasn't allowed to sit the exam. I was totally disappointed. Then happened COVID, 2020. Then 2019 I had to leave law. Then in the year 2020 when COVID happened, there was a flood of online studies then. So what happened at that time, my friend Nick, who is not here with me now, Nick Sockmay, he's a PhD holder. He's a lecturer in chemistry in St. Mary's College. He also is one of our batch. He's not keeping well. So he told me that we should pursue since online is going on. I said, what about if the online classes start? He said, let's see. So we took admission, and till the 3rd semester somehow we did it through online. But after that, Madam Principal, surprisingly, she was my APP then in Shillong in Joy Court. Madam Rimaya Manar. She came as an APP then was in Joy. So she considered. She said, no sir, it's your passion, you can. I'm so thankful, I'm indebted to law college, to the SFLS Society for Studies of Law.
I will again enroll probably by this year, but since the elections are around the corner, I may take me some time to enroll. But then once my election is over, how I come out vigorously, I'll enroll myself in this college and be a student, and again hope to get past get my law degree. Because initially, in the very first stage, when I had enrolled in the year 2016, I came with a purpose like to have law as in my profile, because I had several other degrees with me, but I said law was one thing which I really wanted to have it with me, because I found law very interesting. So, in fact, and not to boast about myself, in my village, in my home school, most of the people who have come, they come to me like as if I'm a lawyer, I'm an expert, and again they come to me and ask suggestions and advices of how to go about the laws and the Indian judiciary. So I felt really like since people are and being a lawmaker, I felt really like to have a law degree, to have law knowledge in my profile. So that's why I had enrolled back then. But then, like due to my commitments in my serving my people in my constituency area, I'm unable to give my time. But hopefully, I would after the elections, I do hope to enroll again and again pass out from this Khad-Ar and bring a lot of laurels and bring a lot of things, bring a goodwill to this college. And I also happen to be the executive member of CMD of JD Hills District Council, who looks after the entire infrastructure development in JD Hills. So, but now since the elections are around the corner, I can't promise you, I can't show you like initially like I'll get this and that. But still, again, I request the team of the Khad-Ar Daloi College to come forward with an application in regard to whatever you request to set up in this particular compound. But the jam come you want the Isna building the Isna International, the come we am yung Surudi upajaga Isna get a little bit young, the Emmy Hop man go and they tell them the airport got a tell them man why will be education, the Mandala thing education, the first word of education be you see when had a show boy, you put your quabi. That's my thing. But I won't promise you, because you leave that I promise you. But you can please put forward an application, and apparently I will pass forward the application.
Kani kasna soal election, the chairman of Chief Minister Nebha Pachale Beni Haka Bar Council of India Kabo fine 8,000 lakh. Entah jimba kelayan kali. Hadu kata kepercayaan ni. Ngau bakla, ngau fine fee. Em kata kaan, saksi kau dagi Supreme Court lawyers, senior lawyers yang mangi hai yang ke BCI. Kita oversamle benyi. Liori so Chief Minister yang Meghalaya. Kecuali mi hadir pada petition yang ini, only kami all the 35 lakhs you want, yes kami. Tangis tengkal bupoi kami. Ngayo ka honorable chief guest who is here with us today will raise our problems, will talk to them, and would extend her assistance by influencing the state government to come to our rescue and to help us bearing this financial burden that we had to pass through in the past year.
I'm very happy to see that the law college is not only for the students the class 12 students. After that you do the graduate students who pass out, they do the law college. But in this college we have all kind of professions: the doctors, the lawyers who had already, not lawyers, the other professions that we have here. Really, it's really great to see that you have got such desire and aspiration for law, that you've been here studying law. I would also, maybe one day, will make it. I just hope. So, it's really inspiring because to see that we've got one of our videos also here. So it's really nice to see that you all are really inspired by actually we really need to know laws in the country, in our state. We have to know the basic laws especially is required. So I have noted some of the points what Dr. P.M. Wyrta has said. That I can understand that a few years ago when I came here, the infrastructure is still the same. It's so sad to say that. But I have noted that, doctor, and I will move on, and I also will urge you or to the governing body of the Khad-Ar Daloi to write, the memorandum, what is needed for the college. Then you can submit it to me, or I'll pursue it to the government and see it should be done at least within my tenure. Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sharma, he said that we in this 5 years, the mission of the government is to concentrate on education and health. That is the priority of the government. So I just hope that in this time, that all these years we've been struggling with the infrastructure and the other problems, financial crisis and the problems that you are having in the college, may at least in our time, maybe we can do something for this college. And it's so sad that it's been lying since 1984, 1986. So it's so sad that it's been like how many years now? 27 years. So it's really sad that the college is still the same. So I will urge the government, and with serious note, I will tell them that we need a college, a law college in Jaintia Hills. So it's very important that we have got one in Shillong, we have got one in Tura, but why not in Jaintia Hills? We need that. So I will definitely pursue this to the government, and I hope that this time we should get something or the other.